Hello, this video is to show the basic integration of the BirdDog KBD with Bitfocus Companion. This is my current setup in Companion. I have vMix, which I'm using to record this, and then I have 3 BirdDog X1 Ultra cameras. I'm now going to add a new connection to be able to control the keyboard. So we go over to our connections and we choose BirdDog PTZ. This is the same module as the cameras themselves. It's just been adapted for the keyboard. So I'm going to call it KBD and I'm going to give it an IP address. And you must select the keyboard KBD from the model. If you don't do that, the auto detect does not work. That's a limitation of the camera's API itself at this time. So when I do that, we've got a new module for KBD. So let's worry about creating some buttons. If you go to buttons, you can go to presets and the BirdDog KBD, and then we'll just drag over a button for each one of the cameras. Spoiler alert, there's a feedback on these buttons, so they not only select the camera, so there's an action of selecting the active camera from the keyboard. This one selects camera 3, but there's also a feedback, also called active camera, where when the connection from the BirdDog keyboard is camera 3, the background will turn green. If we add another button, we can also see the variables. So we're going to go here and do variables, and the BirdDog KBD, we're going to copy the button, text, and then we're going to say create button, and we're just going to put the variable on the button itself. So now since camera 3 is selected, the button says 3, so you now know the thing's active. So now we're going to switch over and just see the behavior with the keyboard. I'm going to switch over to the emulator, and then this view where we can see the keyboard and the emulator. So now when I press camera 1, the variable has changed to 1, so we have a 1 on the button. And over here on the keyboard, we now have button 1 selected. If I go to 2, similarly, and then back to 3. It also works the other direction, of course, where if I just reach to the keyboard and select camera 1, you'll see that camera 1 is selected on Companion and the variable has gone to 1, 2, 3. That's the basic integration of the BirdDog KBD with Bitfocus Companion. Thank you.